everyone, welcome to the new video. So, most of the DevOps engineer today are stuck between 10 to 20 LPA salary range, and all everybody wants to, go above it for sure. So, today I will discuss that what is the mindset that they hold to achieve something above it. Uh, Basically, when we are just executing the task which is assigned to us, that becomes a problem because we have to be in front foot that if some problem is there, how can we resolve it. Sometimes it is like our mindset becomes like this, that the DevOps engineer task was just this, and if something is failing in authentication, if the servers are not getting connected, it's not our issue, it's something which is which has to be looked by app team or some network team, something else. That is where the problem is. We should be, when we have to change this mindset. When you are aiming for something above 10 to 20, we should be the problem solver. When we see that the pipelines are taking so much time, so instead of trying out, instead of taking it that it will takes that time because there are so many files and they are getting compiled and built, we should be in a phase that we need to reduce this time. Instead of saying that our CI/CD everything is there, but our pipeline is there and it's working, it is deploying, so it's fine. But we always should focus that how can we make the life of developers and the deployment time as easy as possible. So that is where I think we'll start upgrading. When we start changing our mindset and look in that direction, we'll understand what is required to get something above what we are at now. In Because when I'm interviewing certain people, what I feel, when they are experienced, like crossing 8 years or 7 years or 6 years, when I'm asking a simple question that can you give me a fields required to create a PV and a PVC, they forget it and they give an excuse that I worked on it from very long, like on a, it was long back when I worked on it. I understand you will not remember everything, but that mindset that now I'm at senior position and these things, I don't need to brush up now because these are not needed. That is also not a good mindset. I'm not saying that yes, of course you won't be remembering everything, you won't be remembering each and every small things, but I'm just giving an example that how when we reach some position, uh, we have an excuse that the basic concepts we haven't worked on because we are working on something on upper level. uh, that mindset needs to be changed, because whenever we are going on an interview, we should need to brush up our core concepts also, and whatever at high level what we are working on. So that is also one thing that I wanted to highlight. uh, so Kubernetes is something which we can brush up so well, and if we have good, because when I'm seeing the market right now, many people are lacking in Kubernetes, many people are lacking in Terraform, and that's true. Many people are lacking in system design part. When in in the in designing the architecture in cloud platform, many people are lacking here. So if you are focusing on these things, Docker, everyone is master of, I can see now. CI/CD pipeline, about Jenkins, GitHub Action, everybody is good in it. They can explain the stages, flow, everything. But when it comes to Kubernetes, Terraform, and the system design, here where our market is lacking. And if we work on it, if you're working on it and mastering it, I think you will be able to go high. um, because people say that we know Kubernetes, we know Terraform, we know cloud platform, but when it comes to explaining the answers, it's just normal, they miss things. Maybe it's not like they don't know, but because they haven't worked on so much scenario, so their answer seems to be very normal. So try to get hands on by doing hands on practice, or by checking so many scenarios, working on yourself, going deeper and deeper. Because just high level things, when you are explaining things on a very high level, and you're not able to explain the basic concept, that is also a very bad impression. So try to go deeper and deeper. And uh, I think if we are working on these three things more and more, we will be able to get through this. And that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. I hope these insights were useful to you. If you find something which I have missed, or if you want to some add something, or if you want to correct me also, please feel free to do it. And yeah, so yeah, thank you, that's all, bye.